One steam crane and boiler. Second steam crane and boiler, I believe, are nearly restored to a really good standard. I'll see if I can get a walk around of them both for you. The light is really affecting my camera though. These things are huge. I bet they weigh a ton. All based at Middleton Railway. Been coming here for years, to be fair. My dad brought me here when I was a nipper. Health and safety's a lot changed since then. By far. That's where the driver and operator would sit or stand, I believe. I'd say stand because it's got foot pedals and the hand lever for the drum and winch and pulley systems. Also a lot of stuff I don't know. Inside the boiler up there, the fire hatch. Lovely little thing, really. This again, scale, you don't understand how tall they are until you stood next to one. Let's have a look at the second. Some parts there. Some boiler, I believe, part of a boiler. There you go. This is the one I like best, but it's got no jib on it at the minute. There's a part of its jib, and there was the part of the jib over there. Yeah. Some more details on that. The gear for driving and differentials. Not very good at speaking, guys, so don't mind me, I'm shy. Sun's getting me camera again. Second boiler. lots of old trains, parts and sleepers, bits of tracks. See if I can get some more details. And same hand and foot plate thing over there. Look pretty similar to Drive, to be honest, don't they? J. Booth Brothers, Rodley, Leeds. So it was built in Leeds and it stayed in Leeds, or it's built in Leeds and come back to Leeds. Lovely. What's that one? Stangingley, Leeds as well. That's probably why they restored then both of these. Lovely things. Because they was born and bred here. Old steam train yard. Wedges chopped them up so can't go anywhere. See if I can get a better look at the other train now the sun's gone. Shame our own governments can't fund stuff like this though, innit, to be honest. With history and whatnot. It's got some right old rust on that, innit? Train sleepers, I believe there's some parts for pistons to the back of it, looking corner covered up. And the jib and a crossover track section. The sun's coming back out, guys. I don't believe the railway's on today, so I was gonna come to get you some steam, actual videos of running steamed up engines, but you'll have to make do with some cranes and a project. Memorial. Restored water tank for a small shunter, I believe. Lovely. I don't know if we'll get done for overgoing at a shunter, you see. This is literally just a walk around the train yard itself now.